Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of Shout Me Loud, and today we are talking about an affiliate marketplace that many of you might not be knowing about, but it's pretty awesome and it's for a specific niche which I've been using it for a while, and I believe it's going to help you find a lot of interesting affiliate program that you can promote on your blog and make money. So the one I'm talking about is called GrowSumo, and it's pretty easy to use. So I'm going to give you an overview of the dashboard, few things that you should know, and that's it. So it's a good idea that you go to the website and just browse through the FAQs and look at the features, see if it's a good fit for you. If you are a startup, if you're looking to integrate an affiliate program, then also you can look at GrowSumo because most of the SaaS kind of products are here. So alright, this is how the GrowSumo dashboard looks like, and you can click on the marketplace to look for various affiliate program. You can also read about what this affiliate program does, and if it fits the kind of content you write, you can simply click on join to apply for it. So let's say Rocket Link is a URL shortener which also includes retargeting pixels as well as call to action overlay in links you share, which looks very interesting. So I simply click on join, and usually they accept you straight away. So this is very easy to start using. Here on the left side, you can have a look, you can click on switch program to change the individual program now, which is very important. And many of you who might be using CJ or share a sale may find this interface a little different. And this is the one major difference, that you need to switch the program to find more the links and everything. Now all programs is here. You can click on stats to check which program is generating how much income. And okay, so again, review required, and then you can see there are a few programs like Crowdfare, Nestify, which are making great money. I was hoping that Evernote will also generate good income, but nothing so far. And here you'll find all the details. Now for the payout, you can see here that I have requested few payouts in the past, and the revenue kind of keep going up and down. When the payout is ready, you need to click on open, and you can click on cash out. And that's where it sends the request to GrowSumo team that, okay, now I'm ready to cash out, and they pay you via PayPal. So that's the few thing. The only interesting thing that you need to do is go to the marketplace, join an affiliate program, then you can switch program here. Let's say I switch to brand24, click on links, and here is the default link. If you want to create a tip URL link, like a link to an about page or any other page on the website, you can simply add the link over here, and let me quickly show you. So this is how the page looks like. Now let's say if I want to link to their pricing page, and what I can do here is I can simply pricing, click on create, and that's it. Now here's the new link which goes to the pricing page. However, I feel like it's missing this URL, which is very important. So let me see how it works. Alright, yeah, definitely it's missing the username. So basically you need to extend it manually. Now that's probably a flaw which I just discovered. I'll definitely ping GrowSumo team to fix this, and I hope it's not happening in all the links. So what you need to do is just copy this, whatever is your URL, and then so that's how GrowSumo works. And yes, if you have any question about GrowSumo, let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.